In this video, I'm going to show you how we can make really amazing posts, simple and easy, using the Group Travel Videos program. So first thing we're going to do is go to your website, and you're going to log in using your tour operator username and password. If you don't know that, shoot us an email, and we'd be happy to give that to you. So this is going to be, we're going to log in from the site with the embed code. If you guys don't have this, I strongly suggest you check out the video on how to get more traffic to your website using the embed code like this. Great way to give your travelers a reason to come back to your site to view their image and their finished video. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then once you're logged in, you're going to go click on your order history. And then we're going to click on photo gallery. Now these are all of the orders that have been placed in the past. And you can imagine having, hundreds of these. We've got tour operators that literally have just a list of them because they've got so many groups that have gone, for over the years. So here's my photo gallery. I really like this image, so I'm going to go over to it. I'm going to right click, save image as, and then you can name it whatever you like. DC Memorial image. Cool. Save. Then you could go right into Facebook and post directly. Pretty quick and easy. Now I'm going to show you another kind of trick to really enhance your images and give you that kind of polished and clean professional look that you want representing your business online. So I'm going to show you really quick how you can turn a post, that image, into something like this. And the way you do that, you go to canva.com. It's a completely free tool. It's a really great graphic design tool that'll speed up your processes, and I'll show you why. So first thing you want to do, log in, create a username and password, and then you go to create design. And then I'm going to click on Facebook posts. And what Canva is going to do is automatically resize this image so that whenever I post it on Facebook, it's not going to look stretched or disoriented. It's going to be very, very clear, just as it is in the editor. All right. It's also got some really fantastic templates that are pre-made. And a lot of these are just drag and drop. So I'm just going to click on this first one. And if you go down to this uploads, you can actually upload your images in here. I've already gone and pre-uploaded this image and our company logo. So drag that over. All right, let's try that again. Drag this over. It's pretty cool. Canva will put it in the background automatically. I'm going to get rid of the yard sale and the dates up here. I'm going to change this to white. All right, inspirational quote. Click on that logo, and we're just going to resize it and reposition it, just like that. All right, you can also adjust. If you click on the picture, you've got a filter and an adjust tab. If I click on this adjust, it'll allow you to change the brightness if you want. You can change the contrast, really edit that image the way you want. It's got a lot of different options here. You can blur it a little bit. I'll add a little bit of a blur. Perfect. I'm gonna go over to make sure to save this. I learned this the hard way. You definitely want to save your post beforehand. That way, if you want to go back and use kind of these elements already as part of your branding, then it's already pre-made for you. So it's kind of a template for you. Should we save? We'll go over here, rename it DC Memorial Picture. Perfect. And then I'm going to download and then upload that image up to Facebook. Now here's kind of a cool little trick that I like to do before uploading. So I'm going to go click on the photos to upload. Let's go DC Memorial Picture. Before I upload, I'm actually going to rename this, and I'm going to include some keywords. So let's say you want to put the keywords in that you think that your clients are actually going to Google and searching for. So example, let's say tour operators for student groups, Washington, D.C. All right. That way, if somebody's in Facebook and they just so happen to search tour operators in Washington, that image that we're about to upload is going to be more likely to be something that comes up in their search. So really great way to get in front of some new eyes. And there you have it. So just uploaded a post in less than 5 minutes with our brand, really nice image. And with that group photo gallery that you have, you almost have an unlimited number of resources to be able to do this. Now, if you're worried about kind of the legality of using those images, we do have some copy that a lot of tour operators have used and included in their contract that reserves the media rights to use those images. And if you're interested in getting that, just shoot me an email and I'd be happy to share it with you. Also, if you guys think this is valuable, please go to our Facebook page, give us a like, maybe share it with some of your friends. And I hope this has helped you out. All right.